Okay, so my name's Eliana from Troop 10801, and today we are going to make a blizzard like ice cream with Tagalongs. So,
Want to talk about Tagalongs?
Tagalongs are a chocolate peanut butter chocolate coated cookie, and they are very good. They're personally our favorite, and that's what we'll be using today.
Okay,
So also make sure you have frozen milk cubes. We did a whole ice tray, an ice cube tray. A cup of milk, and you just pour the cup of milk over the ice cube tray, and you can freeze it. It takes like a day at most.
Okay, so let's start. Quarter cup of milk.
So we have a quarter cup of regular milk. So you're just gonna want to pour that in.
So the usual blizzard recipe calls for vanilla extract or paste, but we're not using that.
Yes, because instead of that, we will be using peanut butter. So you will need frozen milk cubes, regular milk, Tagalongs, peanut butter, and powdered sugar. So we're going to do a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Just going to put that in. And then
a tablespoon of peanut butter. A little extra never hurt anyone.
No, it's not.
So
a tablespoon of peanut butter.
So you want to blend these ingredients together really well before you put the milk cubes in.
Yes. So that it's like adding dry plus wet. Well,
now,
solid plus.
Also, this is about half the normal recipe.
Yeah, because that.
We don't need that much.
No. I want to close it.
All right.
All right. Should I close it?
No.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go on. That's fine. Or we'll start it on low. Go ahead. Go on, turn it up.
So it's at level 5.5, right between 5 and 6. We're going up to 7. So we have that up.
Peanut butter. Okay, then the milk cubes.
And then the milk cubes. I don't really know how to do this. And before you put the milk cubes in, you want to run the tray over some warm water and let them sit out for a couple minutes. It's just easier to get them out and blend them. When you don't do that, you most likely get chunks of milk in your blizzard.
Okay.
And after every time we make a blizzard, we just refill them so that they're ready to go when we need them.
Okay, go ahead. End up adding more milk.
Yeah, we added some more milk while we were blending, and we had it in between level 6 and 7 about the whole time.
Just gonna check. So it looks like
needs more peanut butter. I was thinking the exact same thing.
It's not what I was thinking. Now I think last time we put 4 cookies in.
Nuh-uh.
All right, I'm just gonna break these in half.
So we're breaking the Tagalongs in half. We're putting 6 Tagalongs in because all 3 of us are having it. But you could put as minimum or as much Tagalongs as you want. So we're just gonna break them up, and then we're gonna
of milk cubes. Yes. I think probably 4 Tagalongs would have been fine. This is gonna be.
And then we're gonna pulse it so that it kind of doesn't fully blend them up, but it kind of breaks them up like a real blizzard. We're doing this on a Vitamix, which we've used the Vitamix for many things. You can make soup, you can make so many things. You can make soup, smoothies, obviously.
So you
blizzard
can,
ice cream.
you can have this right now, or you can
You could just freeze it.
freeze
Put
it.
in the
And
freezer.
that's just ice cream. Okay. Oh, see, it's a little bit. That's some overcooked. There it goes. Whoop, you always make a mess at some point. There's a dog down here. It's definitely smells.
Definitely smells something,
Peanut
huh,
butter.
Billy? Oh, look at that chunk.
Switch the glasses. Oh, you know what I just realized?
What?
If we were, 3 of us were having it, I only got 2 glasses out.
You could take some from Henry's. Oh, there's a chunk right there. No, what are you?
That's for me. All right,
I want that one.
taste test.
Wait, spoon. We have special spoons.
They're in the cabinet.
We've been collecting Yogurtland spoons for the past couple of years, so that's what we're using. That's for Henry. This is for me. So let's test it. Oh wow.
All right, so
It's a little bit liquidy though.
yeah,
Liquidy.
it's all right. If you
It's
would
the
like
wrong
to
way.
make your own Tagalong blizzard, we will put Eliana's link to her cookie store. No matter where you live, you should be able to find Girl Scouts in your area, or we can always deliver. And we hope you enjoyed our tutorial on making blizzards.
Sorry my brother couldn't join us. He hurt himself. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.